Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to use Meta AI image generator. So first of all, you could launch any Meta applications such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp or others. For now, I'm going to launch Instagram. Now once you come here, tap on the DM section at the bottom. Now open the conversation of Meta AI. Now, at the chat box below, you could simply type an image you wish to generate. After you have typed in a message or a command, you could simply tap on the option of send. Now just wait for some time until the image is being generated. With that, you can see that Meta AI will generate an image according to your command. You can simply tap on the option of save and save it as well. So that's how simply you could use Meta AI to generate images. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.